What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the brand new 5th anniversary Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at @RealSethFowler. Also make sure to give me a follow on over at Twitch at just Seth Fowler. But with all that out of the way, let's get into it. So about a week ago, Adidas had this crazy glitch on their website where everything was 40% off for like 2 hours. And honestly, I really don't need to be spending any more money on shoes, but when you can buy a $220 shoe for 132 bucks, you gotta do it. So obviously, as you can tell by the title of my review, this is the shoe that I picked up. This shoe was originally 220 bucks, which honestly I feel like is a little bit much, but for 132 bucks, it was no question. I had a bunch of people tweeting me the things that they picked up. A lot of people got some really great deals. Some people spent like $400 on $800 worth of stuff. It was absolutely insane. I just figured there was only really one thing that I wanted, so I picked it up. So without further ado, here it is, the Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 5th anniversary. As you can obviously tell by the name, this shoe was released for the 5th anniversary of the Adidas Ultra Boost. The shoe features some really cool touches that separate it from some of the other colorways that have released this year. And honestly, now that I have this in hand, this might actually be my favorite 4.0 colorway that's released so far. As usual, the entire upper is a one-piece prime knit construction. Jumping right into the upper of the shoe, you've got the standard 4.0 prime knit pattern. The 4.0 prime knit, in my opinion, is the best prime knit that's ever been on an Ultra Boost. It's comfortable, it's supportive. It may not be my favorite looking prime knit, but I think overall, function-wise, this is the best. At first glance, you'll notice that the shoe's colorway is sort of a dark gray with lighter grays woven through it, but a really interesting feature about this shoe is that the entire upper is actually woven with 3M. I have the 3M 1.0s, I have the 3M 2.0s. I love 3M on Ultra Boost. I just don't know what it is. I think it looks great, and this particular colorway is no different. I think the entire upper glowing in 3M when you hit it with just the right light looks awesome, and I think it's such a cool addition to the 5th anniversary Ultra Boost because it makes something a little bit different and a little bit more special. Moving back on the sneaker, you get to the black and gray heel cage, which is actually pretty different in and of itself, because there are very few colorways of the Adidas Ultra Boost that actually have dual colored cages, and I think it's really cool that they brought out this sort of color variation on this model. It really makes the cage pop, it makes the Adidas 3 stripes stand out. I just think it's a cool touch. Continuing up the shoe, you've got your black flat Ultra Boost laces, and of course a special design detail because this is the 5th anniversary Ultra Boost. The laces are rounded off by these yellow lace tips. That yellow theme actually continues throughout the shoe. You've got the same yellow hit on the Adidas logo at the top of the tongue, on the insole of the shoe, and on the torsion system on the outsole of the sneaker. I really like that they injected a hit of yellow into the sneaker. It gives the shoe a little bit more life and makes it a little bit more interesting. Moving inside the sneaker, you get to your black standard Ultra Boost sock liner. Just as comfortable and as plush as ever, nothing crazy to talk about here. As I mentioned before, you've got the bright yellow insole with the Boost text. I've only worn this shoe once for like 15 minutes and the insole's already dirty. So that's gonna be a problem. As for fit, the Ultra Boost 4.0 fits just like any other Ultra Boost 4.0. For me, that's true to size. It's what I recommend for you guys as well. But as I always say, if you have a chance to try on the shoe before you buy it, make sure to do that to make sure the sizing is right for you. Moving around to the back of this shoe, the 3M prime knit continues around to the heel, and then the back of the sneaker is rounded off by this ridged heel cup and the silver Ultra Boost text. Moving down the shoe, you've got the game-changing Ultra Boost midsole, the midsole that really made this shoe popular. Well, I guess Kanye kind of made this shoe popular, but the midsole really made people stick around. If you haven't tried Boost yet, just don't at this point because you've already missed out. Like, it's amazing, and just let other people have the Boost. I mean, I don't know what else to say to you if you haven't tried it after 5, 6, however many years Boost has been out. That's on you. Finally, rounding off the shoe, we've got a black Continental outsole and the yellow torsion system that I mentioned earlier. Overall, the Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 5th anniversary is a very fitting celebration of what Ultra Boost has been over the years. It's a super clean design with some pretty amazing touches like the 3M. And of course, the Ultra Boost 4.0 is an excellent performance shoe and an insanely comfortable lifestyle shoe, so you really can't go wrong. The one downside of the sneaker, obviously, is price. Unfortunately, that glitch is no longer available on the Adidas website, so this shoe is not $132. It's back to $220, which I do think is a lot for an Ultra Boost. However, even though this colorway is really dope, the shoe is still sitting on a lot of store shelves, so it shouldn't be too hard to find if you are trying to grab a pair. And honestly, even for 220 bucks, I don't think it's a bad shoe, and I don't think you're gonna be wasting your money. Now that we've got the review out of the way, let's throw these guys on feet and see how they look. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the 5th anniversary Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 and whether you're planning to grab a pair or have grabbed a pair for yourself. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me, Seth Fowler, if you want to see more content just like this, and follow me on all other forms of social media. The links will be in the description below.